wake up to my alarm on my flip phone. My friends called me. I dreadfully get out of my bed and check my black decorated phone. Skater Boy 401 called me. I answer the phone and he invited me to the mall. I get out of bed and put on my tightest black jeans I own. I put on my red and black band shirt. I wear my Converse red to match the blood of my enemies. I walk to the bathroom and straighten my long hair that covers my eyes. Then I tease and spike it and put it in hairspray. I get my makeup and smear on eyeliner onto my eyes to match my feelings. I turn on music and I blast it while I wait for my friend to pick me up. While I'm jamming to Paramore, my mom walks in the room and tells me to turn it down. You don't understand. My black eyeliner drips down my face. Why doesn't anyone understand me? Silence is just another word for my pain. My friend pulls up with his car because I can't drive. Being 14 years old is so hard. My friend, I met him on MySpace. We both listen to Linkin Park. They describe my feelings. We go to Hot Topic and look for 21 Pilots shirts. I found one. It was perfect, except the shirt didn't come in black. I want to end my life over this. Why is life so hard? Life is pain, so unfair. No one understands my pain. I cry myself to sleep every night because nobody understands me. Nobody listens to my feelings. So I empty my room and I turn off all the lights and surround myself in the darkness and cry myself to sleep. Let the darkness take over. Big medium cat, and I'm so emo. Let all the dark